Now second question, same like that only. Some figures are given and some views are given, and he is asking to identify for each solid which is top view, which is front view, and which is side view. This is for Almara, Birwa, we will call it as. For this, what is this view? What is this view? This is front view. This is front view. What about this one? This is from side we are seeing. So this is side view and this is top view. From top, only this part is visible. From top, only this part. This is the top view. Like that we have to do. Simple. This is matchbox. This part, this is side. And what about this? What about this? This is front view. This is front view. And this one, from top, this fish is visible. So this is top view. Next, monitor. This is directly front view. And this is side view. From side, it will look like this. Side. And this is top view. Now, this is car. This is front view. From front it looks like this, and this is side view, and this is top view. So simple. Just by seeing figures and observing, we can say which type of view is this. Next, third question, similar sort of question, but here some cubes of different shapes and sizes are given with a different arrangement. This is the question part up to this. And he says, from top view, how it will look. From this side, how it will look. And from front, this is front. Front. This is front view. How it will look. That is the question. From front view, from here. How it will look. That is the question. Now see, from top how it is going to look, just observe. This is there. From top, 3 are like this. 2 are at a stretch, and by one side it is one more is there. So 3 like this. Like this, where it is? Here it is. So this is top. Whereas side, these 2 are there. These 2 are visible. So this is side. And the front, these 2 are visible. Like this. So in this case, front and side look same. In this case, it is same. 2 squares, here also 2 squares. Now, coming to this one. Top view. 3 like this, 1 like this. Which is matching like this? 3 and 1 like this. Here it is. So this is top view. Then side view. This one and this one. When we see from here, when we see from this point, this is visible and also this one is visible. This square and this square. So 2 sides are, 2 squares are visible. Where is it? Here. So this is side view and front view. This one is visible and 2. 1 and side 2. So this one. This is front view. The next, from top, this is visible and this is also visible. These 2 like this. So this is top view. So from front, these 3 and by side this one. 3 squares and side 1 square is there. This one. And from side, this square and these 2 in a line. 1, 2, 3. This one. So this is side view. A, B, C, D and E we will do now. Now, D question. In a D, this figure is given. Now, let us see from front view. what is available in front view? These three and one upside. These three squares and one up square. Where it is? Here. Front. Now from side, these two like this. So this is side, clear, side, front, and from the top, this is visible and just two side by side, 1, 2, 3 in a line. So this one, so this is top, clear, and next one. See this one. If you see this one from side, how it is? Two are there like this. These two are there, one is like this. 2 and 1 like this. So this will be side, 2 and 1 side like this. So this is side, and if you see from top, 1 and 2 like this. These two are in one stretch and one like this, or one like this and two like this. If you see from the top, this is one column like this, and the two squares or cubes are arranged after this, just beside this. So when you view from the top, this is visible, and below that two squares, this one and these two. Where it is? Here it is, 2 and 1. So this will be top view. And last, when you see from the side, over now, when you see from the front, how it will be? See, these two are there, not this. From here we are seeing these two and one. These two are there and one like this. So this is front view. But if you observe front, this two and one. If you see from the side also, this two and this one is visible. So this 2, 1, 2 and left hand side 1. If you see from side or front, these figures will be same. So these figures will be same. That is 2 and 1 left side. So side, top and front